On September 27, 2024, Hurricane Helene, a record-breaking Category 4 hurricane, made landfall and caused catastrophic flooding throughout Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, and East Tennessee. In Newport, heavy rainfall caused the French Broad River and Pigeon River to rise to never-before-seen levels, 13 feet and 20.9 feet over flood stage, respectively. Newport Utilities experienced major damage to our water, wastewater, power, and fiber systems throughout our service area. Downed power lines became inaccessible through rushing floodwaters and crumbling roads. Flash floods tore through our system and overtook the raw water intake station, which was then unable to pump water from the river to the water treatment plant. Also, line breaks between the water treatment plant and various storage tanks throughout our service area caused all customers on our system to operate on existing water storage. Water conservation and boil water alerts were issued to keep water usage to a minimum and meet Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation regulations. The clock was ticking before water storage ran out and customers were left without water. Our crews were forced to wait for floodwaters to recede before crucial repairs could be made to many of our systems. The largest undertaking, the raw water intake system, contains 4 pumps which were submerged in water. Crews waited for the water levels to recede enough to gain access to the pump station, then removed excess water, silt, mud, and debris from the machinery to begin making repairs. Once pumps were restored to working order, water was able to be pumped from the French Broad River up to NU's water treatment plant, which experienced very little damage due to its elevation from the river. The water was treated through our filtration systems and sent out over swiftly repaired lines to pressure zones throughout our service territory. Once water was flowing, the water conservation alert was lifted to encourage customers to return to normal water usage. Treated water began flowing through our system, filling pipes and storage tanks. Sampling was conducted by water crews and chemists in each pressure zone. As treated water reached those closest to our water treatment center in the city of Newport, lab tests in this area confirmed industry standard quality, so the boil water alert was able to be lifted on October 4th. Customers in pressure zones farther from the treatment plant waited as lab tests were being completed, and on October 8th, the boil water alert was lifted for all Newport Utilities water customers. In a groundbreaking 12 days from the initial flooding until complete restoration for water and electric service, Newport Utilities customers and the community once again began to see the light at the end of the tunnel.